All right, peepers, what going? Ooh, so yeah, it's been a rough past few days. I moved in the mountains. I'm in Jamaica. We had a lot of rain recently, kind of almost, I think they was predicting it to be a tropical storm, but I don't think it got there. But we had a whole lot of rain, which then produced a whole lot of landslides, which knocked down a bunch of the power lines, power structures. I didn't have power, didn't have no internet, I didn't have no cell service. The power would get kind of restored temporarily and then it would go out again. Just got power back yesterday evening, right before I had some work to do. So luckily that happened. But yeah, I've been out of commission. So now, I don't know, we're gonna go into Kingston. Maybe, I don't know, you'll probably see a little bit of the damage and stuff if they haven't fixed it or whatever yet. But it was kind of, it was a little rough trying to get down there. So hopefully things are better now as we try and go down. But yeah, let's us go and take on the day. Let's see, I got my protein shake. I got my little backup speaker in case my little speaker goes out, and my car. I also only redid the vehicle showcase yet. My girl came right on. She do the little stalling. Okay. Let's get buckled up. Oh, let me let y'all look at my view. Alright, so this is my view from up this side. We going down a little driveway, thingy. Adjust it. Whew. Am I clear? Hopefully I am. Alright, y'all, let's biggity bounce, biggity bounce, bounce, bounce. Come out to here. I may go to the river. I wanted to go to the river, but I don't know if I'm up for it. If I go, I just want to go sit and look. I don't want to like get in the water and all that jazz. Unfortunately, because even though I'm up in the mountains, people be crazy. Good luck. Oh, what is? Oh, what is? Alright, so I'll show y'all any landslide activity. We have any. It's not too bad up through here, but as you can see, like the roads are kind of like somewhat getting enclosed in. I ordered a little car mount thingy, so hopefully it'll be here soon. I had one, but it's kind of ragged. I want something, because when I show y'all like the actual road, I have to hold the phone. And that's not safe, especially not coming around these mountains. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around. Oh, hello, little biker man. Excuse. All right. Well, hopefully, I get something that is more stable and suitable, so I can just flip the camera around. But let's keep going. More into the landsliding part. Oh wow. Shoot. If y'all can see how it is. Behind me now. Oh dang. Alright, let's this is probably one of the more rougher things. Like the mountain is basically enclosing on the road. Ooh wee. Back on up. Jesus Christ. The weather's nice, lots of sun. Something kind of scenic though. I'll probably just go handle run some errands today, try and get some work done. I'll save the river for later. And it's a little cold. I ain't trying to be doing no cold river stuff. I get to be out and about. And things have been pretty good so far. So I got approved for my work permit. Well, my renewal got approved. My renewal for my work permit has been approved. So I'm still waiting on them to do the finalizing of it, but I got approved. where I need to do the power and all that stuff happen. The rain, the landslides. So I'm back in productive mode. So nothing not gonna stop weed, not right now. I will play some music, but I don't want to deal with that copyright stuff. So I'll just enjoy the sounds. And me and my little Jimmy. Because that's what it was like. I think. That is. Look at Billy. Move, Billy. Oh, they out there washing the car. Washing the car. Alright, we are getting closer into Kingston. Oh. So we is heading into town. I'm gonna take care of some business. nice out. It's been cool coming down these mountains. I wonder what the story gonna be when I reach down into Kingston. Woo! Woo! Okay, thank you. Alright, so now we have reached Papien. We are in Papien. Kingston. It ain't too spicy down here yet. Wait a minute. Let me give it a few minutes. Come on, them before. Don't blow your horn at me. Okay, Galon. Oh, somebody crossing with that. Kingston. Alright. I think that is going to be it for this video. Alright. So I'll see y'all later. Have a good day. Bye bye. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain, she'll be coming around the mountain, she'll be coming.